Hello everybody! Today I am hiking at Eels Creek beside the Petroglyphs Provincial Park. So come along with me for a winter hike at Eels Creek. This is Eels Creek, which leads to High Falls. And right behind me is Northeast Bay Road. What a gorgeous day. This is Eels Creek. I am at Eels Creek. High Falls is just around the bend, but I don't think I'm going to go there. I'm tired already. I'm probably about halfway there. I should go, but I'm hoping that I can get the drone up in the air and it'll fly that far and I could get some shots with the drone. But just a gorgeous day. Couldn't ask for better weather. What a lovely day. There's no wind. 2 days in a row I've been able to get out. Absolutely no wind. It's cold. It's like minus 10 Celsius or something like that. But no wind makes a big difference. And I saw a couple deer on the way in here. If you're looking for a place to go to shoot deer with your camera. Shoot deer with your camera, I said. Northeast Bay Road has the greatest deer population that I've ever seen. Unbelievable. I come here in the wintertime, I see deer. So, if you're into that, Northeast Bay Road is where it's at. back at the parking lot. This is the parking lot. All right, so that's it for me today, everybody. So if you like my channel, please subscribe. There is a red subscribe button on my bottom left, your bottom right. Click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell and click all, and you'll get a notification each and every time I upload a new video.